Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to Zondi Land, your ultimate travel guide for exploring the world one adventure at a time. I'm Dan, your travel buddy, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me. Bacolod City, known as the City of Smiles, is a haven for food lovers, especially for rich flavors and diverse culinary offerings. Here's a guide to some of the city's most popular restaurants and must-try dishes. First is the Chicken Inasal at Manokan Country. Location is near SM City, Bacolod. Bacolod's signature dish, Chicken Inasal, is marinated in vinegar, garlic, and spices, then grilled to juicy perfection. Manokan Country is a strip of local stalls specializing in this dish. Popular Chicken Inasal restaurants are Aida's, Nena's Rose, and Chicken House. Okay, so dito kami magka-lunch. Bacolod Chicken Inasal, Petro Pop.
Sabay mo na talaga.
So yung manok, masarap. May hint of sourness or acidic. Baka dahil sa kalamansi. So check natin kung anong recipe nila. So ito yung pag-ihaw nila ng chicken inasal. Kuya, ano yung ano nito? Timpla. Ba't maasim? Ba't masarap? May kalamansi ba yun? Oo. Ano yung special ano niya, recado? May magic? Oo. Ano yung magic? Magic sarap. Oh, okay. Don't miss trying it with a mix of cinnamon or local vinegar and a side of garlic rice. Ito yung spare ribs nila, best seller din. Yung chicken. Kasi sa mga sikat din sa kanilang chicken. Dahil ito mo. Sarap yung timplan ng kanilang spare rib. Kain natin yung chicken. Chicken fire din. Kain natin lang toyo lang siya. Mas masarap siya dahil doon sa chicken bread. Kaya pagyan mo ng toyo mantik, mas masarap yung chicken. Meron akong sibuyas, bell pepper, may konting asin sa, may konting sarap siya sa curry mo. Next is the Rib Shack Restaurant. Rib Shack is a popular restaurant in Bacolod City known for its mouth-watering barbecue and grilled specialties, particularly their delicious ribs. Yung tatlo ang best-seller dito sa Rib Shack. Yay! So, spare ribs, saka baby back ribs. Rib Shack is often regarded as one of the best places in Bacolod to satisfy cravings for smoky, well-seasoned grilled meats. The signature dish at Rib Shack, their baby back ribs, are slow-cooked to perfection, tender, and coated with a savory barbecue sauce.
May tender siya. Yun o, ang bilis mag-ano.
The ribs are often praised for their juicy texture and flavorful glaze. You can choose from a variety of sauces including a classic barbecue, spicy, or sweet option. Next is the seafood restaurants. Popular seafood restaurants in Bacolod are Diotay's Eatery and Gina's Seafood Restaurant. Both restaurants are beloved seafood spot in Bacolod City, known for its affordable and fresh seafood offerings. Located near the Bacolod downtown area, this casual No Frills Eatery attracts both locals and tourists for its laid-back atmosphere and wide variety of seafood dishes. They offer a paluto or cook-to-order style where customers can choose from a fresh selection of seafood, even exotic seafood options when available. Sa pusit, anong masarap na luto?
Adobo, iyaw, sisling, calamares, pili lang ah.
Adobo na lang. 1/4 lang.
1/4 adobo ah.
Dito sa fish, anong fish to po?
Lumarin.
Magkano dito?
Sisling, iyaw.
Pwede ba
4 grams, 440.
440? Anong masarap na luto doon?
Iyaw o sisling lang yan.
Ayun talaga lang.
Sisling or grill lang. Sisling or grill.
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 Kuya, eto po. Shrimp. 1/4 din.
Logo sir.
Garlic butter.
Magaling.
Ay, okay. Popular choices include grilled fish, squid, sizzling scallops, and shrimp cooked in garlic butter or chili sauce. Try natin yung adobo. Sarap ng luto. Try natin yung grilled blue marlin. This is the grilled blue marlin. Pati siya sa sarap. Tapos ang maganda talaga dito yung grilled lang. Wala masyadong sinag. Wala sang lasang blue marlin. Wow. Try natin yung garlic butter shrimp. Sarap din. Sarap. Manamig-namig. May lasang lemon. Mga buttery sauce. Ang sarap. Their crabs cooked in alige or crab fat sauce, sweet chili, and steamed with garlic are especially popular among visitors.
Yan.
Magkano yan? Anong tawag?
Wasay-wasay.
Wasay-wasay. Shell yan.
Siya na malaki.
Anong luto yan dapat?
Ihaw din.
Magkano po?
220 isa. Sarap yan sir.
Sige po. Try ko po isa.
Ah.
Sige po. Magkano yan?
450 kalahati.
450 kalahati. Sige.
Sama naman luto.
Sige po. Okay, tikman natin yung wasay-wasay. So, ito yung wasay-wasay. Tikman natin later kung anong lasa. Isa siyang shell food. For sure, bago to sa akin. So, let's try this. So, may timpla siyang kalamansi ng toyo. Yung sa lasa, parang squid yung kanyang texture. Ang sarap naman siya. So, parang squid lang siya. And crab. So, actually mas trip ko yung alimasag pagka sa alimango or mud crab. So, ang alimasag sila yung galing sa dagat. So, sila yung malasa. Try their sinigang, a sour tamarind soup made with shrimp or fish, which adds a flavorful, comforting option to the meal. Restaurant's casual ambience, complete with open-air seating, makes it a great spot for family gatherings and friends looking to enjoy fresh seafood without breaking the bank. These restaurants are favorite for a reason, delivering the taste of Negros's local flavors and Bacolod's love for fresh, delicious seafood. Shireen's Kansi House in Bacolod City is a popular spot famous for its kansi, a traditional Negrense beef soup that combines the flavors of bulalo, beef shack soup, and sinigang or sour soup. Located in the reclamation area of Bacolod, Shireen's is a simple, no-frills eatery that has earned a strong reputation for serving one of the best kansis in the region. The signature dish is made with tender beef shank, including bone marrow, cooked slowly until the meat is soft and flavorful. The soup is soured with batuan, a local fruit native to the Visayas, giving it a unique tangy flavor that sets it apart from other sour Filipino soups.
Try natin yung kansi. Excited na ako.
The kansi at Charines is known for its thick, hearty broth, which is rich and flavorful due to the long simmering process.
Ay, lasang nilaga. Na may konting asin. Ay, natin may hindi na ang bone marrow.
The bone marrow adds a buttery texture, and the batuan fruit brings a distinct sourness that the Negrenses love.
Lambot hindi. Tapos lalo na pag nahimot yung sabaw. Kasi yung sabaw, malambot yung meat. Yung bone marrow. So you have to try kansi. Especially Charines kansi. In Bacolod.
LEDL Bakery is an iconic heritage bakery located in Silay City near Bacolod, Negros Occidental. Founded in 1920, it is one of the oldest bakeries in Negros, known for its traditional Filipino pastries, bread, and snacks that showcase the region's culinary heritage. Ano po yan?
Masa pudrita, sir.
Masa...
Pudrita.
Ano yun?
Cookies din po, sir. Para siya, kung familiar po kayo sa butter cookies, parang ganun, sir. Angel cookies. Angel cookies mo. Made of hosjas, yung cutting po, yes, sa simbahan po. Yung pinagpunan po ng mga pera na bilog, yung ritasa, binibili po natin para gawing cookies. Yeah.
Guapol pie is LEDL's signature pastry made from guava apple or guapol, which gives it a unique, slightly tart flavor. Buko pie, guapol pie,
And the egg pie.
and the egg pie. Okay. So ito ay buko pie. Masarap. Parang mura pa yung buko. Sarap.
Murang yan.
Ito naman, guapol pie. So ang guapol ay guava and apple. The pie has a flaky crust and a sweet, tangy filling that sets it apart from traditional fruit pies. Mas apple, siguro yung guava yung minatamis na guava na so kaming cinnamon siguro. And finally, this is egg pie. Hindi naman siya ganun katamis.
Tapos, talaga maganda.
Try natin yung special halo-halo nila with their homemade ice cream. Yung creamy nung ano mo kami? Then yung ingredients, merong buko, may mais, may saging, ano ka ba ito? May saging pa. Then may corn. Another famous restaurant is the Kalea Pastries and Coffee. Known for its delectable cakes and pastries, Kalea is a must-visit dessert spot in Bacolod. Try their famous chocolate mud pie, which is one of Kalea's best sellers, known for its rich and decadent layers of chocolate mousse and cake, topped with a smooth chocolate ganache.
Try natin yung chocolate mart nila. Frozen cake shop. Sarap po. So siya may Oreo and almonds. Masarap siya. Hindi siya ganun katamis.
Other best sellers include pecan pie, blueberry cheesecake, or the mango cream pie. Pair it with coffee for a sweet treat after meals. Their cakes are known for being less sweet than other commercial cakes, making them enjoyable and easy to indulge in. Kalea has a cozy and welcoming ambience with a spacious interior, making it an ideal spot for a coffee break or a post-meal dessert. Another famous pastry shop is the Felicia's Pastry Cafe, located in the 6th Street. This cafe is known for its premium cakes and pastries, particularly its Sans Rival and chocolate cake. Their ensaimadas, or the Filipino sweet rolls topped with butter and cheese, and macaroons are also top favorites. Our final stop is the Bongbong store. Bongbong's Piyaya and Barquillos is a well-loved pasalubong or souvenir food brand from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, known for its wide selection of Filipino delicacies and snacks. Established in the 1980s, Bongbong's has become one of the top choices for visitors who want to bring home local treats and flavors from Bacolod and the Negros region. The brand has several branches across Bacolod and other parts of the Philippines, making it easy for travelers to grab these Negrense goodies. Bongbong's is most famous for its Piyaya, a flaky pastry-filled muscovado sugar. They offer different flavors of Piyaya including classic muscovado, ube or purple yam, and mango, giving a fun twist to this traditional snack. Barquillos are thin, crispy wafer rolls, which is a popular choice for a snack or as an accompaniment to ice cream. Bongbong's Barquillos are known for their light texture and subtle sweetness. Bizcocho are crunchy, sugar-coated, toasted bread pieces often enjoyed with coffee or as a snack. Butterscotch is a chewy treat made with brown sugar and butter, often studded with cashews for extra flavor. Bongbong's also offers a range of dried fruits like mangoes and banana chips, perfect for those looking for healthier, naturally sweetened treats. Bongbong's also sells a variety of Negrense treats like otap or flaky sugar biscuit, and pastillas or milk candies and caramel tarts. With its vibrant food scene, Bacolod City showcases a delightful blend of traditional Negrense flavors, international dishes, and classic Filipino comfort food, making it a fantastic destination for food enthusiasts. This is On The Land, your favorite travel buddy. Thanks for watching!